Hey guys,
Hey.
we're out again.
Yes.
Round 2.
Yeah, we made some friends.
Yes, so we actually met some friends in our hotel group, so we're gonna meet them up and go Siam tomorrow.
Yes.
Because apparently tomorrow is the biggest day with all the parade and
Yeah.
everything, so we decided not to go today and then gonna head to what was that? Siam Square.
Yeah, Siam Square.
Gonna head to Siam Square instead.
And then we are gonna start shooting. Oh.
Alright, let's go. Right, so we got on the motorbike instead because we're gonna get a car here, but Mon got lost. I don't know where to find her. You can see someone there. We are here, Siam Square.
Oh, hold that, it's leaking.
Yeah, your gun sucks. Go back. I don't even know where you can buy another one.
There's guns over there.
What they're selling?
Yeah, before you get in. There's
Is it?
guns.
Right, ready?
Yes. I'm like, am I doing your thing right?
You want this? You can. Lot of power.
So I try.
Round 2?
Yes, I've been waiting for tea this whole time. I've been getting well. So everyone's gonna get my gun now.
It's the only way to get to here. Well, obviously we get a train as well, but we're quite far away. Right, let's go.
Yes. Are we going here? Oh, I can't get in. I got my jacket.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
God, we can be prepared. Go. Made it.
At least he told me to bring it.
Yeah, luckily.
Yeah.
Come. Oh, it's back.
Oh my god.
You see that gun?
Yes.
Hey, oh, wait, where's the light? Where's the light? Hey!
Oh my god.
They got a standoff. Oh.
I don't think they want my gun.
New gun, are we?
Not the fashion one.
There. you look like astronauts.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
I didn't realize how powerful it was.
Right, let's go. You teed my new gun. That's my new
Don't
gun.
mess with me now.
Wow.
Alright, let's go.
Babe. Ooh. Babe, you have to do it from far.
Huh?
Your one, you have to do it from far. You're gonna hurt people, bro. Wow, look at it though.
Should I take yours instead?
Oh man,
I don't think.
you're funny.
I don't think the gun's off for me.
Oh look, free water. Come, let's fill up.
I guess the big guns are not for me then.
Yeah, bro, you're hurting people.
I'm giving them blessings.
Look, do it until like this.
Okay.
And then stop.
Oh, you doing yours?
Yeah, might as well. Look at this. Yo, bend this. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Oh, I've got the sheep. it's a bucket. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, it's so much busier than in Khaosan this morning. The hat's coming on. You are so.
I can feel
Maybe it's bad.
it. Is it?
Yeah. Fill it up. I feel bad. Let me see. Shoot me. I want to see if it hurts. Just drop it.
Wait, I'm getting tagged. Wait.
What? My ring. Yeah, shoot me. I want to see if it hurts. So I don't feel bad shooting people. Go on, do it. Ah, I survived. What do you feel?
Cold.
It's a bit colder now because obviously you're all wet.
Yeah.
And it's later now.
During the day, it's a lot warmer. You
Yeah,
get
I've got the
warm.
heat and the sun, but not right
That's why I
now.
put my hat back on.
It's not that bad.
It's freezing.
Why? I'm not gonna lie to you. During the day, the cold water hit nicely
Yes.
with the heat.
Not
But
at
now,
night.
yeah, it's not nice. It's
I'm
cold.
shivering. Yeah.
It's freezing.
So remember, guys, I bought socks. I'm gonna be wearing them now.
Ah. Are you shooting people?
I might do that.
So, to end the night, got a tuk-tuk.
Yeah. Let's get the flash.
Let's spray it up. Ready? Let's go.
Em thì em tiếp đi em, không để máy bay chứ. Em thì mình qua đây là em. Biết.
Ah. Wow. You look like an alien. Oh. Okay, so I know what this is. We run out of armor. I knew they were up to no good. I knew they were up to no good. That's not good. Guys, I think that's wrapped up our today's video.
Yeah.
If you enjoy our content, obviously
Please like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. drive, and we'll see you guys tomorrow because we're still gonna be here.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
See you.